In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill the background of an image in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to this icon here. This is the object selection tool. Now you have a few options here. When you click on this, you will be able to select the foreground image, or you can go down here and click remove background. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click remove background. Now wait a second here, and the background is removed. You can see it's just her. Now from here, what you can do is create a new layer. Now on this new layer, put what you want on it. So I'm going to go here, change it to red. Cool, I've got red. Now you can see that this is covered over the top of her. So what you want to do is you want to go to the right here and drag this layer below the layer you just created. And you can see here now she is above this and the background is now red. Now something you'll notice is that the details on the hair are not very good. This is just what happens on Photoshop when you use some of the features. But if you want to, you can come into here and you can go to the eraser tool and change the way the eraser looks like and make sure it clicks on the right layer. Just start deleting away bits that you don't want, like this. And that can sometimes make the edges look a bit more natural or blend it in a little bit more. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked.